Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Isang malaking karangalan po na makatanggap po ngayong gabi na bilang isang social media influencer of the year. Bilang isang content creator, ginamit ko lang ang aking social media platform, ibahagi ang aking kwento at inspirasyon. At maraming salamat PMPC Star Award sa pagkilala nito. At sa mga inquiries, sa mga nangangailangan ng tulong, sa mga projects at mga appointment. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat po nagmamahal, sa lahat ng sumusuporta at nagtitiwala mula sa unang follower hanggang sa milyon-milyon ngayon. Tulad ng aking dalawang fan page na Facebook na umaabot na 19.1 million follower, ang aking Instagram na may 442,000, ang aking YouTube channel na may 2,350,000 subscribers, ang aking TikTok may 3.3 million followers. Etong parangal na to ay para po sa inyo. At nandito po ako sa entablado po ngayon. Alam ko, kasama ko kayo sa bawat hakbang ko sa aking paglalakbay. At ipinapangako ko po, bilang isang content creator, bilang isang social media manager ng mga kilalang personalidad tulad nila Madam Inuts, nila Herlin Hipon, nila Sugar Mercado at marami pang iba. Ipapalaganap po natin na lahat ng pinopost natin na kailangan may hashtag responsible vlogging, hashtag no fake news, hashtag cyber safety. At syempre, pagpapatuloy ko pa rin gumawa ng content para ma-inspire sa mga tao at ma-motivate para ipagpatuloy ang kanilang buhay. At abangan nyo po ang susunod ng proyekto ko. Tayo po ay magkakaroon ng Wiltech Institute sa tulong po ng TESDA. Ito po ay libre po sa schooling po. Ang kurso nito ay free content creation po. Isa po sa mga advocacy ako ay tumulong, lalo na po yung livelihood program. Kaya tuturuan natin ang ating kababayan sa content creation para kahit nasa bahay, kumikita po lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay po tayo.
Wow, thank you for that, Wilbert.
Trending. Curious lang ako kasi trending sensation, PMPC. Ito ba yung dahil sa issue nung kay Mark Heras? PMPC, okay, Rainier Castillo. Anyway, ang dami ko pinagdaanan po at lahat po nitong masakit o masaya sa social media. Pinagpapasalamat ko po sa Panginoon kasi marami ho akong natutunang bagay. Napakahirap pong magsimula kasi nakikiusap po ako na makipag-collab ako bilang nagsisimula pa lang ako. At ang dami nagpahindi po sa akin na naging bahagi po yan ng buhay ko para magpatuloy ako. At ngayon ay napansin po ako sa social media. Siguro ito marahil yung escalator na namimigay ako ng cash at saka sa elevator. At saka maraming salamat po sa PFPC. Thank you so much sa pagtatanggol sa akin every time na may mga publicities na alam niyo ang katotohanan. At thank you so much to my Star Music family, kay Roxy and Jonathan Manalo, sa lahat ng projects na nakaline up for me. To my Stars Artist Circle family, sa bago kong manager kay Rams David, maraming salamat. At sa iyo, Panginoon, thank you so much po sa inyong pagmamahal sa akin, sa paggabay sa akin. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations po, Len. And now, we honor an institution na nagbigay ng outstanding service at solutions sa telecommunications, proving their excellence and reliability. the Outstanding Telecommunications Solution.
Charlie Fleming, Royal Blood GMA7. Atasha Mulak, EAT TV5. Ashton Olvida, For the Love, Ligaya Episode, TV5.
And the star goes to Jella Reyes,
Senior High TV5 A2Z.
Congratulations, Jella.
Dito makatayo. Representing the award.
Presenting the award is PMPC former president and current board member Romel Gonzalez.
This is crazy. I don't have anything prepared because I really didn't expect this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't know what to say, but thank you so much PMPC for this because senior high means a lot to me. Jello, Elijah, also was one of my co-actors there, and we were just talking about it a while ago, how it was such a time in our lives, it was an amazing time in our lives talaga, kasi bilang yung cast po, naging solid na magkaibigan po kami, so I really owe this to you guys, my cast, my fellow cast members. Thank you so much. I was new in the industry, pressured by everything, especially as a Nepal baby. It was a lot of pressure, but I really want to thank everyone who believed in me. Dreamscape Entertainment, Sir Teo and Janal, who believed in me since day one and hanggang ngayon hindi ko po alam bakit, pero nagpapasalamat po talaga ako sa kanya every day until now. So I really owe this to Sir Teo, Dreamscape, and of course ABS-CBN. Thank you so much, Tita Cory, Direct Lauren, for believing in me, Tita Monch, my manager at the Shar, for always having my back. There's so many people to thank, but I don't want to take your time. But yeah, I really am just so grateful. I know that there's so much more room for improvement. I really want to grow so much as an actress, so this really means a lot to me. And yeah, to my family, thank you so much. I'm sorry. My family, my mom, thank you for supporting me. She was also part of the show, so she always had my back while we were taping that. My dad, and of course my siblings, Kuya and Ate, and of course Chavi. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. There's so many things I want to say, but yeah, that's it. I'm just so grateful, and I can't wait to give more, do more, and really learn more. So yeah, maraming salamat po ulit, PMPC. Thank you.
Congratulations, Chelsea. You're so...
Love Is, Continen's Arms, GMA7. Larkin Castor, Manupo Legacy, The Flower Sisters, GMA7. John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7. Ethan David, For the Love, Ligaya Episode, TV5. Vince Maristella, Love Before Sunrise, GMA7. Christoph Samaru, One for All for One, INC TV. Aidan Veneracion, Royal Blood, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Secretary Jimmy Escala. And the star for Best New Male TV Personality goes to John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga hindi po na kilala sa akin, can I introduce myself again?
Of course, brother.
Kambal po pala ako ni Joshua Garcia. May joke lang po. Ako po pala si John Clifford, isa po sa mga bagong aktor ng GMA. And 2 years ago, binigyan po ng opportunity ng Pepito Manaloto so I can portray my first ever character, which is Jacob. Ako po yung unang boyfriend ni Clarissa. And ngayon, I got recognized for it. Super thankful. Maraming salamat po. I share this award first and foremost with God. Nagpapasalamat po sa blessing na ito. Siyempre sa supportive ko na family na andito ngayon. Yes, and siyempre sa Sparkle GMA Artist Center, maraming salamat po sa guidance. And lastly, sa PMPC, maraming salamat po. This award will motivate me to do better and strive for more awards in the future. Thank you so much.
Congratulations! Now for our next trophy is for the Best New Female TV Personality. And the nominees are?
Best New Female TV